Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this very cute mushroom. You can use this ornament and make a keychain and make spring and Easter decoration. I use 3mm hook and 3mm cotton yarn. Insert your hook under this yarn. Insert your hook under this yarn. Pull up yarn. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to this ring, stitch first round in this ring. Pull up yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make double crochet, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through, 1, 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Go to top of first chains I show. We made chains in here. Insert your hook into this chain, slip stitch. Change color, make a slip knot. Insert your hook in any stitch. Insert your hook, take a slip knot. Pull up this yarn, hide tail of yarn under stitches. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch. Pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 double crochet. In here we make 1 double crochet with these chains. We have 2 stitches, yarn over, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, yarn over, go to next stitch, 1, 2 in next stitch, 1, 2 and repeat. Make 2 double crochet in every stitch. Go to last stitch, make 1, 2 stitches. Now we have 24 stitches in here. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch. Change color, make a slip knot, go to any stitch, I show like this. We have 2 stitches in each stitch. Go to between these stitches. Insert your hook, pull up yarn, make 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet. We make 2 double crochet with these chains. We have 3 stitches. Skip these 2 stitches I show, and we have 2 stitches in each stitch. Go to between of these stitches. Make 1 2 3. Go to next stitch, skip to stitch, go to between of these stitches. Three double crochet, 1 2 3 double crochet, and repeat. I made this stitch. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 of these clusters. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch, change color, make a slip knot, go to between of these clusters like this in here, a slip stitch, make a chain, 2 chains, yarn over, go to this stitch, 1 2, skip this cluster, 3 stitches, go to next, make 1 2 3 stitches, hide tail of yarn under stitch, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and repeat. I made this stitch, go to top of first chains, slip stitch, go to this I show, insert your hook into this stitch, take 2 yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 single crochet in every stitch, repeat 1 single crochet, like this. Go to first stitch, slip stitch, I use use 3mm hook and 3mm cotton yarn. Make a magic circle, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make 1 chain, go to this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5 single crochet. With these chains we have 6 stitches in first round. Insert your hook into first chain. I show first chain, pull up yarn, in here continue like this, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet on first stitch. This is first stitch, mark first stitch, go to same stitch in here, go to same stitch, make 2, go to next stitch, make 1, 2, go to this stitch, 1, go to same stitch, 2, make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go to same stitch, 8, go to next stitch, 9, 10, go to last stitch in here, 11, 12. This is first stitch. In here go to this stitch, make 1 single crochet. This is first stitch of third round. Mark this stitch. In here we have 12 stitches in second round. Go to same stitch, 1, go to next stitch, 1, in first stitch we have 1, 2, in here 1, in next stitch 1, 2, in next stitch 1, in next stitch 1, 2, in next stitch 1, in here 1, 2. Repeat for this round like this, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, in next stitch, 1, in next stitch, 2, in next stitch, 1. In here we have 6 stitches. In here 12 stitches. In third round we have 18 stitches. Go to this stitch, make 1 single crochet, mark this stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch. Make more rows. Go to mark a stitch, mark first stitch. You can use marker and repeat. Make one single crochet in every stitch. Continue. In here, go to mark a stitch, make one single crochet. We make one single crochet in each stitch in 4 rows. Mark first stitch, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, decrease 2 stitches together. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet in next stitch, pull up yarn, in next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, decrease 2 stitches together. After this stitch, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet, decrease 2 stitches together. After this, in here, repeat. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull up yarn, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns. After this stitch, we decrease 2 stitches together 4 times. Make 1 single crochet in every stitch and make more rows. Without decrease and increase. I made 15 rows in here. Go to this stitch, slip.